What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Boys Family Dinner, like to eat on a budget.
So we know it is soup season for most of you guys, unless you live in the South. But tonight we are going to be making zuppa toscana from Olive Garden, another copycat recipe. All right, guys, so to start off this soup, we are just going to put our meat in our pot. Olive Garden uses Italian sausage, but we are just going to kind of crumble this up a lot. You don't want it super fine, but you don't want it super thick either, and we're just gonna let this brown.
All right, y'all, so we're gonna start our potatoes. I'm just gonna be peeling it and then cutting them into about inch cubes. We're also gonna dice up an onion to add to our soup.
All right, you guys, so once our pork is brown, we are going to remove it from the pot and just put it on a paper towel here so that the grease can kind of drain out.
All right, we're gonna saute our onions now until they are translucent. All right, the onions are translucent, so we're gonna add about a tablespoon or two of garlic and mix that together. It's ready to add our chicken stock. So I'm gonna add our chicken bouillon cubes and kind of crush those up before we add the water. So those of you guys that don't know or don't remember, we use chicken bouillon cubes instead of chicken stock. It's just cheaper and we can get more out of it. So for each cube, we're gonna add 2 cups of water. So we added 2 cubes, so I'm gonna crush those up, let those kind of start going, and then I'm gonna add 4 cups of water. We're gonna add our potatoes and let that simmer for about 20 minutes or until the potatoes are tender. Okay, so the potatoes are soft, and so we're gonna go ahead and try to finish it off here. So in our little thing here, we have a couple tablespoons of flour. We're gonna add some hot liquid to that to make our slurry, just to thicken up the soup a little bit. So we're gonna mix that in. Okay, get all the flour chunks. It is hot. Yeah, and I'm gonna add that into our soup here. Okay, to that we're gonna add 3/4 of a cup of milk, or if you have heavy cream, we have whole milk with Ray, so we're gonna use our whole milk. You're milky, huh? Okay, and we're gonna mix all of that together. This whole time it's on like a medium-low heat. Okay, then to finish it, we're gonna add back our meat. Ooh. This is all coming together. It looks so good. Okay, and then just a couple handfuls of our spinach. Olive Garden typically uses kale, but we had spinach on hand, and so we're substituting the kale for spinach, and we're okay with that. We also forgot to do this, but we're gonna add salt and pepper. Be pretty generous for making a big pot here, but just taste to your season to your taste.
All right, you guys, it's all done. So we are just going to serve ours in a bowl. Get a couple generous ladles full. It smells so good. Okay, maybe 3 ladles full. And then we are going to top it off with some Parmesan cheese. You wanna help, buddy? You wanna help? Great job. Yeah, are you doing it?
Can you say when, buddy?
I like a lot of cheese on mine. Okay, great helping. And then if you like it a little spicy or a lot spicy, you can add a little bit more crushed red pepper right on top. I'm just gonna do a little bit because I don't like that much. There you go, zuppa toscana.
All right, y'all, thanks for watching. We're just gonna serve ours with rolls, but we made Olive Garden breadsticks in the past, and so we're gonna link that in the description below.
Thanks, guys.